Finding a Kdp niche that meets all the parameters may be difficult, but when you find it and publish on it, be sure to record sales. In this video, I'll be showing you a niche that some sellers are leveraging on to increase their monthly sales. This niche is less competitive, high in demand, with a very high niche score. For instance, looking at this seller's sale history for the past 30 days, from this bestseller rank chart, you can see that this seller has been recording sales for the past 30 days. This is a bestseller rank chart, and when a bestseller rank is going up, it shows that the demand for the book is reducing, and when it's going down, it shows that the bestseller rank, the demand for the book is increasing. Yeah, so from this chart you can see that this bestseller rank has been going up and down for the past 30 days. As at 30th of March, the bestseller rank was 8,060, but it went down to 5,337, which showed that demand increased as at this period. And it also went up again to 10,754, went up to 13,535, and this is an indication that at a point this book demand decreased because the bestseller rank went up. But as you can see, it's been going up and down, up and down. As at date, the bestseller rank is at 8544. Is this an indication that this seller has been recording sales for the past 30 days from the bestseller rank? And when you check 8,544 as a bestseller rank, you can see that this seller has been selling up to 28 copies every day and up to 840 copies every month. Then estimated royalties for the past 30 days is $107 per day and $3,234 per month. So you can see that this seller has been recording sale, leveraging on this particular niche I'll be telling you shortly. So this bestseller rank has shown that this seller is recording sales. So when a bestseller rank is below 300,000, you're sure that that seller is recording sales. But anything above 300,000 is a no-no, because that seller might just be recording one sale in a month, or maybe one sale in 3 months. So but as you can see, this bestseller rank is 8544 as a date, which is very, very good. I'll also be showing you other sellers that are making a similar amount and those that are even making more than this, and also there are some that are making less than this amount. The niche this seller is leveraging on to increase their sales every month is called garden logbook. Now, garden logbook is a very good niche, and it is a low content niche. Here it is a low content niche, very easy to create. Anyone can create and publish on this niche. You don't have to have a writing experience to publish on any low content niche. Garden logbook is very good to create because gardening is a hobby for some people. There are millions of people who do gardening for food provision, home beautification. Some do it for realization, and they need a tool like a logbook to keep track of their progress, which makes garden logbook highly in demand. This garden logbook can be seasonal and it can be evergreen. It's both seasonal and evergreen. It's seasonal because the demand for garden logbook is usually very high during springtime and early summer. So you can see that this garden logbook can serve as both evergreen and seasonal, because there are some persons who need this garden logbook to keep track of their progress for their gardening. So that is why garden logbook is evergreen and is also highly in demand both during summer and other seasons. Analyzing a niche, I always look out for three key factors I always look out for each time I'm analyzing any niche, which is bestseller rank, total search results, and niche score. Take a look at the niche score of this niche. The niche score is giving 74, which is very, very high. And when a niche score is above 50, it shows that that keyword, that niche, people are searching for it on the Amazon website and other search engines. This is an indication that this niche is very high and people are searching for it. Then bestseller rank would tell me that people are not just searching for it, people are also buying that. Some sellers who have published on this niche are also increasing their sales every month. Then take a look at the total search results. Total search result is giving 1,598. Now when a search result is within 1,000 or below 1,000, it shows that the niche is not highly competitive. So when a niche is highly competitive, it's an indication that the market is a bit saturated. And when you go ahead and publish on that niche, the likeliness of your book being seen on the first page of Kindle store is very low, because there are so many persons who have already published on that niche. Total search result is giving 1,598. Is still within 1,000, meaning that there is still opportunity for anyone to go ahead and publish on this niche. So you can see that this niche has satisfied the three things I always look out for in a niche, which shows that this niche is very profitable and there is still opportunity for you to try it out and see if you can record sales. Trust me, I have published on this niche and I am recording sales, which is why I am also making this video to encourage anyone who want to publish on it to go ahead and publish on it. Now, to show you that there are some sellers who are making progress, who are increasing their sales every month with this niche, I'm going to be showing you about 3 to 4 independently published books that are increasing their sales every month. And you know that this garden logbook is a niche. It's just like a keyword, and there are under this niche you have different titles. You can create a different title for your book. As you already know, there are no two titles that can be the same on Amazon KDP. For instance, this particular one is saying gardening logbook and planner. This is the third person, independently published. Bestseller rank is giving 273,650, which is below 300,000. This person is recording sales. It might not be as much as the first person, but this person is recording sales every month. This is another one, independently published, 119,200 in books. This is another good indication that this seller is recording sales, because it's definitely below 300,000. Checking other categories, it is rating 4 in cruder climate gardening, rating 8 in propagation and cultivation gardening, rating 9 in shrub gardening. So I've checked like 4 different titles published by individuals under this gardening logbook to determine the demand. The bestseller rank has shown that there is demand for this book for different self-publishers who have created and published on this book. So you can see that this book is very profitable. So, and there is still an opportunity for anyone to create and publish this niche. Now I'm going to be showing you the interior aspect of this niche to show you that this niche is actually very simple to create. This is one of the books published by individuals. This is one of the books created independently by a self-publisher, and the name is Garden Planner and Logbook, Gardening Organizer and Journal Notebook. So we'll be checking the interior aspect of this book to show that anyone can create and publish on this niche. This is what the interior looks like. 4-season gardening planner. This is the book cover, and this is what the interior looks like. This logbook consists of different lines, columns, few rows. You can do this using Microsoft Word, or you use Canva to draw these lines. This is how the interior looks like. You can decide to include these pictures, these images, or you can skip it. So I would like to create this and skip the images and just focus on this, the interior, the lines and the rows inside. So assuming you want to create something like this, what you need to do is to go to Microsoft Word, checking the dimension used for this book. The creator used dimension 8 by 10 inches. You can use 8.5 by 11 inches. Then the trim size is 0.28. Trim size is you have to include this trim size so that when they are trimming your book, no part of the book can be cut off. So that's the essence for this 0.28. You can make your own. It's minimum of 0.25. You can make it 0.35 or what have you. To do this, we'll go to Microsoft Word to draft this. So when you come to Microsoft Word, to measure your dimension and your trim size, you go to Layout. Once you open your MS Word, you go to Layout to input the paper size and the dimension. So you go to Size, click on Size, more page size, custom your size. Then where they say margin paper layout, you depending on what you want. So we are going with the one we are using for reference. You do 8 by 10. So when you do 8 by 10, you go to margin to input the trim size 0.28. Now you have a proper size for the book you want to create. So what you need to do is to start inputting the table. So this is just to give you an idea of how you can start creating this book. So you just have to look at any sample you can see on Amazon KDP and create your own. This is just an example of how to create this logbook. It's not difficult, and this is a low content book. Once you create the first and second page, you can duplicate it to as number of pages you want. So you can use Microsoft Word to create this table and the few rows inside, and you're good to go. So you can try this niche garden logbook. And remember, garden logbook is a niche. There are different titles under this niche. You can give your own a different title. It can be garden tracker, garden record keeping, journal, anything you want to just give it. Just give it a unique title and you create it. And when you check this, you will see different reviews. You can see reviews from this title. And this review shows that people are buying this book. So you can draft your own and publish it. That will be all for this video on the new KDP niche to try. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you again in my next video.